My first video on YouTube. I'll be unboxing GoPro Hero 5 action camera. The video shares the information on what all the box has, some hardware specifications and sample clips at the end.
So let's try to take it off. Actually,
I think it is attached here. So if you see the clip, you can take this out and then you can press it. It can come out. So this is attached. Okay. So coming back to GoPro, I have took this clip out. So you can see that we have a housing here. We take it is a bit hard to take out. Be careful while taking it. So you can see this GoPro is pretty much small in size. It has a screen guard behind it. This screen supports touch screen, so you can control more of the functions from here itself. If you see front side, we have a small display to indicate during the selfie modes, etc. This lens actually we need to take it out when we are going to use a waterproof housing case, so you have to just shift move it left side and take it out. But on a personal note, I would suggest you that you go on YouTube, check some of the videos how to take this out. So coming back to the battery case, if you press this button, take it out, so you can see battery slot here, SD card slot at this place, so you can insert any SD card which is supported. So if you see 60 fps, that is 60 divided by 8, that is around 7.5 mbps. So more of the cards are supporting this rate, more than 7 mbps. Any card can have a 4K recording in a proper way, so don't buy high-end SD cards, not needed at all. So read write speed more than 7 mbps is enough for this camera. If you see where to insert the cable, so there is one opening on this side, so you press it. You can see two ports, one is HDMI and one is type C. So type C it doesn't support USB 3.1, what I came to know from the cable. So if you check this cable out, so it has only 4 pins inside, if you can see it properly, which indicates DPDM, that is 480 mbps. It doesn't support USB 3 or 3.1 yet. So it may be possible that new GoPro cameras may have HDMI 2.1, that it supports 8K display, as well as type C may have DP port even inside it. So this is the case. We can take this clip out and we are going to use a standard power bank to charge or record directly from here itself. You can parallelly charge along with the recording. So this is the case. You have to just plug it out, it comes out, and this can directly used along with the external battery. To the cons of this cam, if you see that if you need an extra spare of battery, then you can't use the third party GoPro batteries, because the firmware, that is 1.55, once you upgrade this firmware, that is 1.50 to 1.55, it has stopped supporting most of the third party batteries. There are some batteries which claim that we can support it, but I'm not sure on that. GoPro may not resolve this issue, but yet you need to buy the original pair of batteries if you want extra time to recording. Coming back to the ports, if you see this Type C port, I don't know how it is implemented in actual. So the Type C port on the basis of CC pins detect what is configuration, etc. So the normal Type C cables which are available across the internet, that is Type C to 3.5 mm converter, they may not work. So you need to buy an extra pair of adapter if you need to plug an extra mic for your recordings. If you are buying any card, then I would suggest to go with SanDisk. This is pretty much cheaper card, as well as 128 GB. It has a 80 Mbps. I don't know if it is write speed, but it is more than 7 Mbps, which is required for this camera. And I will be posting some sample videos at the end of this video, so please comment. Thanks.
This is SS, this is me. वॉइस कैसे आएगा? वॉइस तो नहीं आएगा. वॉइस क्यों नहीं आएगा? चिल्लाओ चिल्लाओ. This is without video stabilization, and I will be coming back with video stabilization mode on, so you can check the video approximately how it goes. So this pretty rough road. This video is with video stabilization and focus.
Okay, on a personal note, I don't recommend this camera for people who are going to do moto vlogs, because it needs an external mic if you're driving at a speed of 50 or 60, and you need to buy extra adapter for it, because I feel that still on chip Type C with aux is not available in market, so they needed to give an external device for it. So it is a bit bulky, so you need to attach the camera, you need to attach the device as well as this GoPro doesn't support third-party batteries, so you need to buy original GoPro batteries. There are other options like Xiaomi, 4K, etc., which have the same specifications, which provides the same kind of quality videos, but only thing is it is Chinese, and there is no support in India for it. So thanks for watching the video.